walking down the street and you see somebody with the most amazing hair, most likely it's not hers. Now, Extension Envy carries every kind of hair. At the end of the day, it saves you so much time and it gives you perfect hair always. You can join the Hair Extension Club, and for a small monthly fee, you get your extensions brought up every month, discount on your hair. You're gonna save so much money.
Maintaining your hair healthy while you're growing it out, or while you're going through situations, all that to get you through those hard times.
Oh, my love, I've missed you. So in a month, you can come back in. They open these little clamps up. Because it's right at the root, you are not gonna have any damage. Nobody sees it. She's my sister from another mister. Once you have this hair, you will never want to go back.
You have a great hair day, it just makes the world of difference.
Come in, get some great hair for this weekend. Hey, if you're stuck in a rut, some new hair could just be the thing you needed.